Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your steak taste better. First, always pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This ensures a beautiful sear. Next, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Don't be shy. Finally, let your steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This promotes even cooking throughout. Now let's talk cooking. A screaming hot cast iron skillet is your best friend for achieving that perfect crust. Get it smoking hot before adding your steak. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side, then reduce heat. Add a knob of butter, some crushed garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme. Baste continuously for the last few minutes of cooking to infuse incredible flavor. The resting period is crucial for a juicy steak. After cooking, transfer your steak to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, preventing them from gushing out when you slice. When ready, always slice against the grain to ensure every bite is incredibly tender. To truly elevate your steak, consider a finishing touch. A dollop of compound butter like garlic herb butter melts beautifully over the hot meat, or whip up a quick pan sauce using the fond from the skillet. For thicker cuts, try a reverse sear for ultimate control. And hey, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.